If you see even one ant in your garden, don't ignore it. That tiny scout is a warning sign, because where there's one, there's usually an entire colony hiding underground, and they're not just minding their own business. Ants aren't harmless little guests. In fact, they protect the real enemies, aphids and other plant-destroying pests, helping them spread from plant to plant like a disease. Ants and aphids have a symbiotic relationship where ants protect aphids from predators and help them move to new, nutrient-rich parts of the plant, while aphids provide ants with a sugary substance called honeydew. This interaction leads to increased aphid populations and can exacerbate plant damage. If you don't act fast, your garden could turn into a disaster zone before you know it. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll show you a powerful homemade recipe that ants absolutely hate, and once you use it, they won't come back. I promise this stuff works so well the ants will remember it. Before we get to that, if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell here at Natural Health Remedies. It's completely free, and you'll get more practical, no-nonsense gardening tips just like this one. Now let's talk about why you need to act the moment you see ants. Their presence means a nest is already being built deep in the soil. Eggs are being laid, and it's only a matter of days before an army of tiny invaders rises up to protect aphids, chew through roots, and cause real, lasting damage to your plants. A quick response can be the difference between saving your garden and watching it slowly fall apart. So here's what you do. Grab a spray bottle and get ready to make this simple but effective anti-ant mixture. In just a moment, I'll tell you exactly how to do it. But first, tell me in the comments below, yes or no, do you currently have ants in your garden? I'd love to know how many of you are facing this issue. All right, here comes the recipe. Take 500 milliliters of water and add 2 heaping tablespoons of baking soda. Then add 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. Peppermint, lavender, or lemongrass are perfect because ants can't stand the smell. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and stir it gently. Don't worry if it foams up. That's completely normal. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray it directly where you've seen ants. Around plant roots, along garden paths, in cracks in the soil, or anywhere you spot their trails. Within just 1 day, you'll start to see results. The ants will scatter and disappear. It's fast, effective, and safe for your plants. So don't wait. Take action today. And if this video helped you, share it with your gardening friends on social media. Let's help more people protect their green spaces from these hidden threats. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Stop Pests Fast with this Dawn Dish soap trick.